Most marketing dies at level one because it mistakes the surface for the strategy. Yo, what's good? It's K Fellow from KFellowBeats.com, Legacy Media Group. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button on your way in. I appreciate you for rock with me. So look, over these last few videos, last 6 videos, we should now have an understanding of what the state and intent is. All right. We should understand that the surface is basically, I need this, but I don't know how to say it. Okay. I'm telling you that this is what I want, but this is what I really need, and I don't know how to explain it in words. Okay. So let's go over a few things. Producers, like I said, with metrics. Likes on beats do not equal purchases. Doesn't mean that they're gonna buy just because they say they like it or they might even comment that it's fire. No, something deeper that they need, right? And what you need to do is figure out what that is just by simply asking the right questions to yourself in figuring out that okay, this artist actually wants to tell a story. They want to tell who they are. So let me present this beat as the story that they need to tell, right? Like I said in one of my previous videos with the Fade to Black and Pharrell calling Hove, yo, I got the perfect story for you. Get over here. Bam, Carlito's way. You, you want to leave the game, but keeps calling you back. You know what I'm saying? Just keeps calling you back. You can't get away, right? That's how you present your beats. Yo, look, this is this. Look at it like this. Boom. We're gonna tell a story here. This is what you're trying to tell. This is what type beat means. Bam. Here you go. You see the difference between just, okay, I want this type of beat. All right, cool. I got you. Bam. We can make that in a day. I'll get you in the 24, 48 hours. No. Sit down and it's all right. Well, what story are you trying to tell? What message are you trying to convey? What is this? What is that? Boom, boom, boom. All right. Well, we can, you know what I mean, sit down and craft this. You feel me? Not just I'm making a beat for you. No, I am. We are creating a story together. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just giving you the cinematics, you know what I mean, the theatrics, the music behind it to tell your story in the right way, as opposed to I'm just selling you a beat. Completely different understanding of your audience, right? All right, artists, fire emojis or likes, maybe even shares, a few shares. You know what I'm saying? But it doesn't mean that they've really connected with you. You want to connect with the audience. What, like we just said with the producers, what story are you telling? What are you saying? What is the meaning behind these words, these lyrics? Explain this one bar right here. Break this down for me in 30 to 45 seconds. Because I think this shit was fire. I just wanna know what was your mind at when you came up with this? What is you really saying here? See what I'm saying? Let's just think about this with Hope in the concert now with Yankee Stadium and everything with these freestyles, with the freestyle at the Roots picnic, with these bars that he's saying. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by these words? What does this mean? Hmm. Who are you talking about? Hmm. Okay. Like you see, people want to. They want a deeper understanding. You gotta break through the layers, break through the levels. All right, content creators. Comments do not equal authority. People may say the content is dope, or is good, or whatever, but are you really speaking to their their true desires or their true wants, needs? Are you really speaking to who they're trying to become? That's what you have to ask yourself with your content. All right, business owners, engagement does not equal conversion. I may fuck with your content, I may fuck with your post, or whatever it is that you're promoting, but doesn't mean that I'm going to actually pull out my wallet and purchase. Why? Because it hasn't, excuse me, it hasn't speaking to what I am really searching for. And what you're going to learn throughout this series is that when you get to the secret intent, most people don't even know what the secret is that they want. They want you to tell them. That said, it's KFelon for KFelonBeats.com. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button on your way out. And if you want a deeper understanding of this whole entire series, make sure you click the link in the description and download the Intent Content Blueprint absolutely free. Get you a copy, get you a deeper understanding of this message. And in the next video, make sure you subscribe because in the next video, we are going to start breaking down the hidden intent. All right. So I appreciate your time. It's K Felon, KFelonBeats.com, Lagos Media Group, and I'm going to get up out of here. Y'all be easy.